Cheeseburger brownies. You gotta try them. Watch how I made them. They're so good. Lately, I've been making myself a lot of brownies because I love them. At least once every couple weeks, I make a nice batch of brownies because they're so easy and delicious, and I put my own nuts in there, and I love it. And you know what else I love? Cheeseburgers. Today, I thought I would make myself some bacon cheeseburger brownies. Do you think that's a good idea? I do. The ground beef is going to be the brownie mix. The diced onion is going to be the nuts that I put inside. And you can leave that out if you want, just like you might leave nuts out of your brownies. But I love brownies with some kind of nuts in there. And that's how I made my brownies. They're going to be so good. They're going to be a dessert for this supper. So I have 1 1/3 pounds of ground beef here. I'm going to use my same bowl I was mixing my brownies in. Washed, of course. I'm going to add my 2 packs of 1 1/3 pounds of brownie mix hamburger. $6.99 a pound. Is that expensive? It's 85% lean. Cooked to 165 degrees. Put them in our baking mixing bowl. Like it so far? Okay. If we have any extra, I have to make myself an hors d'oeuvre or two. And I'm going to dice this onion the best I can, so this will be like the nuts to my brownies, but the onions to my cheeseburgers. Make these however you like. How do you like your cheeseburgers? Don't watch me cut myself here. Be careful. I gotta pay attention. That's a big onion. You know what I have? That old chopping jar, like my mom used to have. It's an awful big knife for a guy like me. Use this little one. I'm gonna use that chopper. I'm gonna get it down. I'll show you what I mean. Maybe you had one too. Maybe it'll bring back memories. Watch. Maybe go get it. Here it is. Do you remember? Did you have one of these? Or your mom or your grandma? These are fun. My mom used to use this to chop up onions for tuna or whatever she was making, macaroni salad sometimes. Don't put too much in there. Remember? Look. And she used to let me do this when I was a kid. I could lick the bowl. Chop it up. One diced. Like little cheeseburger peanuts. Oh! I broke it. Be careful. All right. They don't make them like they used to. That's for sure. I'm gonna go back to the knife. Maybe I should have quartered them up smaller to begin with. See, we don't want these guys. Get rid of them. Beautiful. Think that's enough for the amount of meat we're going to use? Depends. That's like I did with the peanuts with the brownies. I put some in. Oh, I put them in a baggie and I hit them with a hammer, chopped them up somewhat, and then I put some more in. All right. I don't know, that's a lot of meat there, isn't it? What's 1 1/3 times 2? Two and 2/6. I think I need more. I'll put in more. Ooh, they look good. I'm gonna put them in the mixing bowl. Make a mess, okay? It's all right. I can't wait to eat these. I was gonna eat the brownies, but I wanted to show them to you before I cut them. I'm really hungry. I'm making a mess. A little bit. So just mix this up. Now for your cheeseburgers, you know, if you were making a meatloaf, you'd put breadcrumbs and eggs in here, but we're not making a meatloaf. We're making cheeseburgers. Understand? Cheeseburger brownies. And I'm gonna put bacon on half of them when they're done. First I'm gonna bake this at 350 for about 40 minutes. Take the temperature. And we want it to be 165 degrees. Then I'm gonna put some slices of American cheese on top, or whatever kind of cheese you like with your cheeseburgers, and melt the cheese. I'm gonna use my toaster oven, or you could use your oven. Let the cheese get melted real nice, how I like it. Bring them out. Put some cold ketchup on there like I would for a cheeseburger. Pickles. And I'm only gonna put bacon on half, just like when I make brownies. Sometimes I make half nuts. All right, let's clean this counter off a little bit and put this into our baking pan. Brownie pan. Don't forget the salt and pepper if you like that. Can mix it up a little more now. Those onions smell good. Make them how you like your cheeseburgers. Maybe you want some Worcestershire sauce in there. Should I do that? Maybe next time. Let's spray the pan with some olive oil cooking spray, just for fun. I do that with the brownies sometimes. Put them in. Oh, look at this. Perfect. This is an 8x8 pan. You can put it in a casserole dish if you like. I'm gonna try to spread this down. If it was a brownie mix, I'd shake it around, you know, or a cake or something like that. Let's spread this down nicely. There's enough nuts in there, isn't it? Onion nuts. Change this up however you like. Make it spicy. Put peppers in there. However you like your cheeseburgers the best. You wait till you see this. When I cut my brownies, you know what I like to do? I like to cut in 4s. So everybody gets a little square like that. But with the cheeseburger brownies, I might cut it in 3rds. 1, 2, yeah, 2. Yeah, and they're gonna be about that big. And we can eat them on a roll, or a slider roll, or just hold it like a brownie. Let it set up at the end a little bit so it gets nice and firm. Cheeseburger brownies look like they're gonna be good. See all them nuts in there? It's fun, isn't it? I have my toaster, air fryer, kasori, whatever it is over there, preheating to 350 degrees. It's ready to go. I have it set for 40 minutes at 350 degrees. I still smell the brownies in there. I cooked them about an hour ago. There we go. First ever cheeseburger brownies. Make them if you want, but spell my name right. 40 minutes. Oh, I have no extras for no morsels while I'm waiting. That's okay. Should I eat a brownie? Maybe I will. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'll take a bite. I'll show you what they look like inside. And some nice cold milk. Well, that reminds me. I could eat one of them Jake's triple triples pretty soon. 9-patty cheeseburger, see it? I'm gonna get myself one of them. All right, what do you think? These are nice and cooled. See, I cut these small so as not to make a pig out of myself. Look at that, these are fudge. And I'll cut it like this. Yeah, 3s, did I say 4s? 3s. And try to dig the first one out. I go all the way across like that. But I'm in a hurry here. Look. See the nuts? See the nuts in there? Fudgy. All kinds of nuts. Cashews, pistachios, almonds, walnuts, peanuts. Take a bite. Mmm. I got about 40 minutes or 50, depending how long that takes. I don't want to ruin my appetite, but next thing I eat is going to be a bacon cheeseburger brownie. There you go. Wow. I'm sorry I couldn't wait. I had to eat it. All right, it beeped. It's been 40 minutes. Let's see what the temperature is. Going to be juicy cheeseburger brownies. We want 165. Do you think it is yet? I don't think so. Ooh, nice and firm. Okay, that's good. I want it to cook a little more anyway. Juicy. Okay, I'm going for another 15 minutes. How's that sound? 350. Low and slow is the way to go. All right, let's take the temperature. It got a little juicy, so I sucked out some of the juice with turkey baster. should have showed you that, but I just did it quick. You want 165? Come on, come on, come on, I'm hungry. Come on, come on. Well, you know what? That's real close. And I'm gonna put it back into melted cheese for a few minutes, so. Look, oh, there we go, 175, I like it. Get some cheese over here. Whoa, that's one nice big cheeseburger brownie. Can you think of it like that? I sure can. Still a little juicy down there. That's all right. I could dump some of it out. Just pour out a little bit of that juice. Nice. American cheese. Is that enough? Should I cut these in 4s or 3s, or how should I cut them? Well, think about it. I'm gonna put it back in the toaster oven. There it goes. 350 degrees. Let's go for another 5 minutes. Can't wait. Uh-oh, I forgot to put bacon on my half, remember? Hold on there. I got some right here. Hot, crispy, delicious bacon. Half, so call that half. Should break it in half, shouldn't I? Because we're gonna slice them up. And brownies. Those cheeseburger brownies. I could put another slice of cheese on top of there too, right? Double cheese bacon, and the other side's like a diet brownie, see? I'm gonna put cheese on top of the bacon, like this. Wow, somebody's gonna have a good one. Put it back in. Hurry up. See you soon. I think I'm gonna stop it right there. What do you think? Bring that out and let that rest on the table. Remember what side has bacon? I do. Delicious. Here it is. It's time to eat. So what would you do with your cheeseburger now? You'd put ketchup, pickles, whatever else you like on it, right? I'm resting for 5 or 6 minutes. How should I cut it? If it was going to be brownies, it'd be like that. But I want to put pickles and ketchup. I've got the little rolls, little slider rolls, if you want one like that. Let's see how big they are. Ooh, potato rolls. Oh, that's perfect like that. They're going to be big, chunky, juicy cheeseburgers. But if it was half that size, it would still be okay. What a decision to make. Brownies, brownie size, okay? Okay. Oh, it's that bacon. Get a knife, back to that big knife. Whoa, yeah. You know the first slice of a brownie is usually hard. See, I'm not waiting long enough again, because I'm impatient. Brownie size. Get it? I'm only cutting the sides of the bacon right now because that's what I want. Whoa. If we had brownies like with fudge, we'd have squirted back and forth like that, you know. However much you like. Finger looking good. Some bread and butter pickles. I'm saving the plain half for Kathy. Come on, Tom. Time to eat. Come on. Take a bite. Put it on my plate. Clean up my mess. Want to watch while I taste it? Let me taste this one. Look. Oh, nice. And it's finger food too, see? Cheeseburger brownies. You gotta try them. Try this at home. It's an easy recipe. Everybody will love it. Please subscribe. Stop back soon. Thank you, thank you, thank you.